to get us into Salt Lake even earlier. Currently posted half an hour early. I'm not holding my breath, guys. Pretty foggy in Salt Lake City. You know, when it's a low fog, sometimes they slow us down, give us holdings and whatnot. So I hope for the best, but just give you a heads up that it might happen. Very low visibility in Salt Lake City right now, freezing fog. Having said that, pretty good ride overall, 3 hour and 23-minute flight altogether. I'll keep you guys updated as much as we can. Having said that, happy holidays, Merry Christmas to everybody. Stay safe this holiday season, and we'll talk to you in the air. Thank you.